Okay, the next step will be to assemble the box portion. You'll be receiving die-cut glued pieces just like this at the time of order. First step would just be to form open the box, breaking some screws there. You can start off by closing one end of the box. The locking tab goes in. Put that off to the side just for a second. You also then need to take the foam pieces. There'll be two different cutouts that'll be sent to you. The first step will be to remove these two pieces from this foam portion. Set them off to the side. We'll need those in a little bit. Then this will go into the box first, the thicker border part being placed along the top here. So put it to the bottom of the box, like so. Next, take this cutout piece and take two magnets that we'll have sent to you. They look just like this. And just take a small piece of tape, roughly about an inch or so, inch and a half, right along the edge of the bottom here from the corners. A little tape on there. And take the magnets, stick them on. So, and then take this piece, put the foam into the carton, close up this end, so, lock it in, and there. Next, we're going to need these other insert pieces that will be sent to you. Start by folding down these portions. This thumb tab pushes in, like so. This side down. We break that back. That side down, like so. There's the two foam blocks we had from before. The one with the cutout will go inside along the top. Right in. And that'll help hold that piece of paperboard back. And take the next piece. Slide that in. First piece to go into the aperture will be this larger one. With these two perforated cuts here, fold back. Little dog ears here, fold forward. Same thing on the other side. Fold back, fold forward. Then the thumb cut portion will go along the top. But first, we'll put this in like so. Taking the dog ears to tuck them underneath the paperboard but above the foam. Now these portions we're going to fold down, and this will fold back onto itself like so. Same thing up here. Now this also has another one of these thumb cutouts that'll break back into itself like that. You'll have that sort of set up. Next, take this insert piece, again with the purse, fold back onto itself. Dog ears down. Purse back onto itself. Dog ears down. It'll go in on the side, like this. Now because there's the two foam layers in there, we'll be tucking in between the two foam layers with the dog ears. So, and that will be that insert. These portions just fold down like that. This piece folds down there, there, there. This portion has another thumb cutout which folds back onto itself like that. That helps just to pre-break those scores. Now take this insert, fold down on these four tabs, bring these ones back onto itself like that. This will help create some tuck-in locks. Take the insert, push it down into the cavity, Some little tabs up and under. So, at this cavity, push those down like that. Take our last insert piece, that side like that, cavity like that, that end down. This end will fold up and then back to create sort of a lifting tab. Place it into this cavity with the tab at the top section of it. Now, get the lid piece and pre-break this score here. Let's take 2 long pieces of tape. I'm going to square up the corners and just fold this spine back. I'm going to rub and open it back up. Now there'll be 2 plates, metal plates, that have a little foam tape backing to them. Just peel those portions off. Place one on the magnet with the tape part up. And do the same thing with the other one on the other magnet. And bring the lid back down. Give it a good press on those magnets to engage it. Bring it up, and then just give it a little extra support onto it. Closing the box, you're complete.
Good job.